In today's market, it can be very challenging finding a home that packs a lot of value and comes at a great price. But this home that we have here today does just that.
This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home right here in the heart of Port St. Lucie not only has a lot of new features to offer you, but it's perfectly located in a surrounding area that offers a lot for all families from all walks of life.
This home is located about 15 minutes away from the beach. It has a new roof, new AC, new water heater, and so much more. Come inside and check it out. The kitchen was recently renovated with white cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. A window above the sink provides a clear view of the backyard. The home has a split floor plan, which gives a nice, natural flow throughout the home. It has fully tiled floors throughout, adding a clean, cohesive look. The windows are hurricane impact rated. Not only do they provide durability and security, they also help to keep the home quiet. The master bedroom is filled with natural light, and it has its own private bathroom. Move-in ready and well maintained, this home offers peace of mind for years to come.
The Florida sunroom is designed to accommodate all your R&R needs. The 9 tinted windows allow you to enjoy the gorgeous spring and summer days without really feeling the heat, while still giving you the option to open all 9 windows and let the breeze flow through. This newly fenced-in backyard is incredibly spacious, more than enough space for a large pool and still have plenty of yard to enjoy. You can truly bring all your visions to life and make this the backyard of your dreams. The screened-in front porch has been extended, creating a seamless transition from shaded comfort to open-air relaxation. This expansive concrete addition provides a versatile outdoor space, perfect for lounging, entertaining, or personalizing to fit your lifestyle. Outlined with a charming white picket fence and designed around a stunning Florida palm tree, this area adds both functionality and curb appeal to the home.
Now, didn't that home pack a punch? And you get all that for just under $346,000. Isn't that amazing?
That is amazing, and it's very hard to find in today's market. So don't hesitate. Give us a call right now at the number provided below, and it'll be our absolute pleasure to give you a private tour of this home today.
Don't wait. Can't wait to speak with you soon. Take care. Be blessed.